Hello friends, all animal and very beautiful animal. Wow friends, very amazing animal, very beautiful animal. Wow friends, all animals. So let's put them all in our basket. Wow friends, this is a basket, very beautiful basket. Wow, friends, these are all full of mud, but we will wash them. Wow, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Wow, ho ho, very beautiful, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, very beautiful. Oh, friends, full mud. Wow, wow, friends, very beautiful animal. Wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. So all friends, come quickly, very beautiful animal. Wow, friends. Wow, friends, very clean water, cool water. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, so let's wash them and see which animal they are. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a cock's.
Ben diyorum ki Meliş'e gel. Bak gel. Meliş'e.
Very beautiful cooks, very amazing. Hey, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a horse, very beautiful animal. Animal, very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, friends, this is a leopard, very dangerous animal. Animal, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a zebra. Very beautiful animal, very amazing. Hey, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, very beautiful animal. This is a giraffe.
Já era para ter uma sequência, não é? E depois a seguir vieram os meus pais.
Very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a rhino. Look at us, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, friends, very beautiful. This is a
There believed to be only 40 Indian animal tigers living in the wild. Now today there are believed to be just under 500. So you can see that the numbers have increased from that time. But then
tiger, very dangerous animal, very beautiful animal. Oh, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a bear, very beautiful animal. Very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, this is a deer, very beautiful animal. Very amazing. Ho, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, friends, very clean. This is a ship.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Ship, very beautiful ship, very amazing. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is the elephant, very beautiful elephant. Elephant, very amazing. Wow, wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a dog, very beautiful. Beautiful dog, very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a helicopter. Very beautiful helicopter, very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a camel, very beautiful camel, very amazing. Wow, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Friends, today we seem to have got some good animal, very beautiful animal. Wow, friends, very